So I'm going to teach you about how to solve variational method questions. So to solve the variational method question, there are some method. First step we have to take is trial wave function. You need a trial wave function which satisfy the boundary conditions, or sometime you are given in the question the trial wave function you need to solve the ground state energy. Second step is we need the expectation value of energy. The formula is h psi upon this. Okay, or you can find the energy by solving Hamiltonian by kinetic energy plus potential energy expectation value. And how to solve kinetic energy, potential energy expression value we will discuss in question. Now after solving this we will get energy value, energy or Hamiltonian value. Now next step is we have to minimize the energy with the differentiate equals to 0 and the differentiation with respect to variational parameter. This is a constant parameter, is called variational parameter. Now the next step and find the value of E. After finding the value of A, we again put the value of A in the energy equation and find the value of energy at A node, whatever you will find, and that will be your answer. Then how we can solve it? I'm going to take a question, that is, this question is coming in June in NET exam, CSI NET exam. The ground state energy of particle in Vx is equals to Gx mod and psi is equals to this. You are given a trial wave function already. You don't need to solve, you don't need to take any trial wave function. You are given its own, and this is the potential energy function and this is the wave function. Now first there is C is a constant called normalized constant. So we need to normalize the function first to solve it. So for normalization of function we know the formula psi dx is equals to 1. That means you have to integrate complex number with its complex number and its psi function and put it equals to 1. So when you put this equation, solve this square and dx is equals to 1. After solving you will get the value of C will be 15 upon 16. That will be the normalized constant value. Okay, now your function will be psi, put the C value 15 upon 16 a5 a square minus x square. That will be your normalized wave function. Now second step was we need to find expectation value of H. So we need T and V, kinetic energy and potential energy. How we can find the kinetic energy? See, kinetic energy will be psi star T operator psi dx, and we know that the operator value of kinetic energy will be minus h cos square upon 2m del 2 upon del x square. You need to learn this. Okay, now we will put the both value. That will be psi star or psi. Here we have to find, we will find it. Now the value of this a5 root will be cancelled by square, and in the function a square minus x square, because this quantity is constant, so I put it out. Now del 2 by del x square a square minus x square dx. Now we need to differentiate this term twice, because this is the constant, that will be 0, and double differentiation of x square will be 2x into 2, that will be only 2 remaining. Now after solving 15 upon 16 a5, limit will be minus a to a, which is given in the question. Now a square minus x square minus 2. Okay, after integrating you will get the value of T will be 10 h cos square upon 4ma square. Okay, now we need to find potential energy expectation of potential. So we have already given v is gx, but x in mode. What the value of x have contain plus and minus both. And now value of psi star v psi dx, then we will put the value of wave function 16a5 square will be come out. Now the value of function this a square minus x square whole square and function of g x minus a to a dx. We can use the integration property here. That means this is the even function, so we can change the limit 0 to a by multiplying twice. Okay, now a square minus x square whole square g x dx. Now x mode we can solve it. It will be positive in 0 to in plus infinity 0 to infinity region, and it will be negative in minus infinity to 0. So it here 0 to a we will find it positive. That means x will be positive. 15a5 into 2 0 to a square minus x square whole square gx dx. And after multiplying solving this equation, we will find the value of v will be 5 upon 16 g a. Okay, now h will be t plus v, and the value of t is this 10 h cos square upon 4m a square plus value of v is 15 a g. But this value contain the variational parameter, so we need to remove this. So the next step is del E upon del A is equals to 0. Differentiation and put it equal to 0. We will find the value of A is 2 h cross square upon mg power 1 by 3. Now again put this value in this expression, and putting the value of A in the energy, we will find the energy 15 upon 16 h cos square g square upon m power 1 by 3. That will be the answer. And this is very easy method. Just practice it once or twice, you will get your own. Thank you.